Hello, how to solve for a in this equation? Square root of a plus square root of minus a is equal to 36. Solution. Then here we have square root of a will be equal to, here we have 36 minus, if you take this to this side, become minus, we have square root of minus a. Let's square both sides of this equation. This is square root of a all square is equal to 36 minus square root of minus a all square. This will cancel this. A is equal to 36 minus square root of minus a all square. Then here we have a is equal to, this is 36 square minus, this will be 72 square root of minus a plus square root of minus a square. This will cancel this. Then we have a is equal to 36 square, that is 1296 minus, here is 72 square root of minus a minus a. Then here we have a, let's bring this minus a to this side, become plus a is equal to 1296 minus 72 square root of minus a. Then we have 2a is equal to 1296 minus 72 square root of minus a. So this can be written as, we have 72 square root of minus a is equal to 1296 minus 2a. Now let's divide all through by 2. This is divided by 2. This divided by 2, and this divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 6, 48, then 2 here 1, 2 here 36. So we have 36 square root of minus a is equal to 648 minus a. Now let's square both sides of this equation again. We have 36 square root of minus a all square is equal to 648 minus a all square. Then here we have 36 square, then multiply by this minus a will be equal to 648 square minus, the whole of this is 648a, then minus 648a, then plus a square. Now here we have 36 square multiplied by minus a, we have minus 1296a is equal to, this will be 648 all square minus, here if you add this and this together, we have 1296a plus a square. Then here we have minus 1296a plus, that is, if you bring this to this side, we have 1296a is equal to 648 square plus a square. This, we cancel this. Then we have 648 square plus a square is equal to 0. Then we can rearrange this as a square plus 648 square is equal to 0. Then this is called the sum of two square. You know, we have different of two square, and this is sum of two square. So then take note of this, that if you have a square plus y square, this will give you s plus y I multiplied by s minus y I. Therefore, this can be written as a square plus 648 square is equal to a plus 648i bracket a minus 648i, then equal to 0. So here we have two cases here. Then the first case is a plus 648i is equal to 0, and the second case is a minus 648i is equal to 0. Therefore, our final answer from here is a is equal to minus 648i, and from here a is equal to 648i. Then a1 is equal to 648i, and a2 is equal to minus 648i. So these are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.